Alright, before we call on our next band performer, yes, yeah, let's have our third batch of raffle. May we call on TFC representative? And of course, may we have our Miss Rose, raffle girl. Hi, good evening.
Hi. Alright, magandang gabi po sa
raffle
inyo.
girl.
Alright, thank you so much for inviting us here and supporting us. Of course, we're from the Filipino channel ABS-CBN. Meron po kaming booth sa likod kung sino naman po ang wala pang current TFC package. We're promoting the 88 real per month package, and pag nag-yearly package po tayo, automatically po meron po tayong 2 months free. If you have any questions or any questions within TFC, mag-approach na po kayo sa likod. Meron po tayong representatives para po mag-entertain sa inyo. And later on, mamimigay din po kami ng special gift prizes for you guys. So for the meantime,
yes, we will continue our third batch of raffle. Courtesy, of course, TFC. Kuha tayo ng 4 muna for this time. Alright, our first winner for our third batch. His name, Michael Benito. Tama ba? Michael Benito.
Michael Benito is here.
5,
4,
3,
2,
1. Okay, next. Alright, we have Maria Gemma Tubeo. Tuibeo ba ito? Tuibeo?
Andito po ba?
Maria Gemma Tuibeo. Come on down!
Alright, congratulations, Ms. Maria. Kaya po tayo sa stage. At mag-picture po tayo.
Live stream to Maria. Kay Smile. Ayan, special shirt.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you, Maria Gemma.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Yes.
Alright, very good.
Alright, 3 more. Sheila Joyce Farinas.
Sheila Joyce Palinas, come on up on stage.
Sheila?
Andito ba?
Hindi makalabas si Sheila? 5? Alright, congratulations, Sheila. Two more. Alright, our next winner, Nelson Proponce. Ano po, tama po ba, sir? Nelson. Tama ba, Proponce? Ay, Propongo.
Alright.
Congratulations. Ano yung nakasulat doon? Uka? Ano yan? Kabogabol. Okay.
Alright, last one.
Last winner for our third batch. We have Syla Luayon. Syla. 5,
4,
3,
2,
wala si Syla. Next.
last na.
Alright, we have Juvie Amorada. Juvie.
Andito ba? Alright, she's here.
Ayan na naman si Donya. Relative ni Donya yun.
Come on up on stage.
Asan na si Tita Juvie?
Picture, smile.
Kumakain? Alright. Thank you very much and congratulations. TFC, thank you. So sa lahat ng mga inquiries for TFC, available po ang TFC dyan.
Just in the back, approach nyo na po kami.
Thank you. And of course, let's have one batch from Power Horse. Now, sir, representative from Power Horse. We have 4. Ito naman nahihiya. Balik ka na dito. Nahulog Rose. Alright? Kuya, ikaw na bumunot. Alright, we have Ronald Haduk. Ay, bakit? Ba't yung sumisigaw? Chassis na naman? Ito na si Kuya, tumatakbo. Ronald Haduk. Tama po ba yung pronunciation po? Pwede na. Bakit daw ikaw, Kuya? Kasi may picture taking, mo. Thank you, Ronald. Thank you, sir. Next. We have Syla again. She's not here. Elenita Nale. Ellen Nale. Ayan, si Tita Ellen, may madalas ko makita at mabasa sa Facebook. Sa Dugong Pinoy Group. Congratulations, Tita Ellen. Nice meeting you po. Alright, thank you, ma'am. Last 2 more. We have Alan Corial. Alan. Chassis na naman yan. Hindi. Anong group si Alan? You have any group in Facebook? Aside from Dugong Pinoy? Wala na? Parang hindi mo kausap si Kuya? Kuya, kinakausap kita eh. Okay. Bisita po. So welcome po sa Dugong Pinoy Anniversary. Congratulations. Sir, if you have time po, you can check our Facebook Dugong Pinoy Group po. Alright, next! Our last winner for our 3rd batch, we have Mr. Aurel Ozaeta. Aurel? Paging Aurel. 5, 4, 3, 2, sorry. Next. And syempre sa ating nagagapong Power Horse, thank you so much. Yeah talaga. Alright, we have Jasmine Sakay. Aba? Lahat kayo ha? Oh, syempre mami mo yun, diba? Alam ko. Kailangan mag-explain. Ito. Okay, congratulations, Donya, and to your mom. Picture. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you, Power Horse, and to Miss Rose.